Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will basically give you the complete detail about the WBJE refund policy and how can you get the WBJE refund. Okay. So recently WBJE have basically released the notification related to the students who basically want the refund from the WBJE board. Okay. So in this video, I will talk about all things that what is the eligibility criteria and how can you get the refund. Complete process I will give you guys. Okay. So before moving to the video guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, support my channel for getting such informative video. Okay. So let me talk about the WBJE refund various rules. Okay. So WBJE, that is the West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination, was set up, that is the 1962. But what is the important point that they are saying? Eligibility. Okay. So it is observed that many candidates neither withdrawn from e-counseling nor completed physical reporting and provisional admission in the institute. Means there are some candidates who have basically allotted the seat in round 1, round 2, and they haven't taken the seats, or they are basically not reported to the seats. Okay. Then WBJE board have decided to withdraw, or you can say refund their seat acceptance fee, that is 5,000. Okay. So you will get the rupees 5,000. Okay. But wait guys, there are some criteria, eligibility condition for getting the refund. So what is the eligibility? Those who paid seat acceptance fee but neither completed physical reporting and provisional admission at the institute, okay, or not availed the facility of withdrawal within the stipulated period. Okay. Means those candidates only can get refund who have basically not completed the physical verification at their respective college. Means suppose you are allotted particular ABC college, AOT college, Narula college, and you have basically not go for the physical reporting. Okay. Or you are basically not taken the admission, then you are eligible for participating in the WBJ refund policy. Okay. Now refund amount. So how much amount you will get refund? So amount paid at seat exception fee will be refunded after deducting 20% of the fee, or rupees 1,000, whichever is less. Means they will basically deduct 20% fee or 1,000. Okay guys. And the rule will be effective from the academic session 2020 to 2021 till further order. Means this is basically updated in 2020 to 2021, and same policy will be happen. Means 20% amount will be deducted, means you will get 4,000 rupees as a refund guys. Okay. So this is the eligibility criteria and refund amount you will get. Now mode of refund. So you will get refunded through NEFT RTGS directly to the bank account. Okay. So for that purpose you have to give basically your all bank account detail. Okay. So board will not entertain any request for any other mode of transaction. Okay. Means this is the only mode of transaction, that is the NEFT and RTGS. Okay. So as the board will not be responsible for any error or the refund due to anonymous bank account detail provided by the candidate. So you have to give the all detail of bank very carefully guys, क्योंकि एक बार आप मिस हो गए then it is very hard to get that refund. Okay. Now schedule for disturbance of refund. So candidate can apply any time during the year, but the processing of application and disbursement will be done twice a year only. Means दो बार भाई refund का होता है. Okay. So all application received during September to February will be proceeded in March, and distribution will be done in 31st March. Means disbursement done in 31st March. Means if you have basically taken admission, or sorry, if I have basically allotted college during the tenure September to February, then you will get refund till 31st March. Okay. Means for the same year, this year too also, mean 2022, you will get refund till 31st March, but you have to apply before that guys. Okay. And all application received during March to August will be processed in September, and disbursement will be done by 30th September. Okay. So that application which I basically got the March to August, that is for till 30 September. Okay. Now process of application and submission of documents. So what is the basically process of submitting the application? Okay. So candidate need to download the attached application form. This is the application form that you have to download. Okay. And basically you have to fill all detail there. Okay. After that, form and send duly filled up application along with the cancelled check leaf or your photocopy of the page containing detail of the bank account, self-attested admit card, self-attested allotment letter in a closed envelope with superscribed on the top of envelope refund application for the name of examination. Means simply you have to basically attest all the things, that is the bank account detail, self-attested admit card, and self-attested allotment letter in a envelope. You have to basically put this in an envelope, and basically you have to speed post to this location. Okay. इस लोकेशन में भाई स्पीड पोस्ट करना है. Okay. That is that the registrar West Bengal Joint Interest Examination Board रूपाना, ओके, एंड DB दिस सेक्टर लेक, मीन्स यू हैव टू बेसिकली स्पीड पोस्ट टू दिस, क्योंकि मुझे चलना कि भाई दिस इज नॉट गुड थिंग्स, ओके, but this is the rule guys, so you have to follow, okay, and at the top of the envelope you have to basically write refund application for name of examination mean WBJ 2022, okay, so आपको भाई ये लिखना मस्ट है और आपको स्पीड पोस्ट करना होगा, ओके। नेक्स्ट, the WBJ authority reserve the right to cancel reject any application if you found any guilty in that, okay, then they may not refund your fee guys, so very carefully you have to do that and you have to refund, you will get refund after, means till 31st March you will get, okay, and this is the application form basically we have to submit. Beside that I have also sort attachment you have to give, that is the allotment letter, another thing I will also provide link in description, from where you can check out this too, okay। सो गाइस सिंपली आपको ये एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को फिलअप करना सर, दैट इज अ डेट, करंट डेट क्या है, ओके, एंड एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, दैट इज अ काउंसलिंग नेम, ईयर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन या काउंसलिंग, एप्लीकेशन नंबर, रोल नंबर, कैंडिडेट नेम, father name, mobile number, address, account holder name, so you can give any account holder name, okay, but you have to fill all details guys very carefully, okay, because if you miss any digit then you will face problem. Then bank name, bank account number, IFSC code, last allotted institute, very carefully, and deposited amount, कितना amount आप deposit किए थे, that is how much amount you have basically paid, that is 5,000 for the WBJ 2022, okay, and reason of refund, so what is the reason of refund, why you are basically wanting refund, so you can give any reason that sir I haven't take the admission in that particular college, or I don't want to take admission, so that are the reason you have to give, means valid reason you have to give, okay। Now candidate signature with date, here you have to give your signature with date, okay, then cancellation check, leave photocopy of the age containing detail of the bank account, this you have to give, okay, self attested admit card and self attested last allotment letter, admit card, allotment letter and bank detail, very carefully you have to attach all this and speed post to this area, okay। So friend, this is the complete process of the WBJ refund, okay, and I hope that your all doubt regarding this is clear. If you have doubt related to anything, then you can comment here. I feel very happy to assist you, and if you are facing any problem, then feel free to ask here guys. I hope video was informative to you. Make sure to share with your friends so they can also get information about this. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.